Good morning. Myself Dr. Sigma Garg from Arya College of Engineering in IT Jaipur, presenting a video lecture on reducible to exact differential equations in first order and first degree. Differential equations which are not exact can be made exact by multiplying it with a suitable function of x and y, which is known as integrating factor. Methods for finding an integrating factor. First method, by inspection. If the differential equation is in the form of function of xy into y dx plus function of xy into x dy equals to 0 and not exact, then its integrating factor is 1 upon mx minus ny, where mx minus ny is not equals to 0. If in the differential equation m dx plus n dy equals to 0, 1 upon n del m upon del y minus del n upon del x equals to function of x, then integrating factor equals to e to the power function of x dx. If 1 by m del n upon del x minus del m upon del y is some function of y, then integrating factor equals to e to the power integral of function of y dy. Next method, for a differential equation of the form containing only the powers of x and y, then we take integrating factor is x to the power h, y to the power k, and h and k are determined by the condition of exactness. If m dx plus n dy equals to 0 is homogeneous, then we take integrating factor is 1 upon mx plus ny, where mx plus ny is not 0. To understand these methods clearly, we take some examples. Example 1. The given differential equation is in the form m dx plus n dy equals to 0. First, we check the condition of exactness, that is del m upon del y equals to del n upon del x, where m equals to coefficient of dx and capital N equals to coefficient of dy. And we see that del m upon del y is not equals to del n upon del x, so the equation is not exact. So, by calculating integrating factor which make this differential equation exact, we see that the given differential equation is in the form function of xy into y dx plus function of xy into x dy equals to 0. So the integrating factor equals to 1 upon mx minus ny, and if then calculate it, we get the integrating factor 1 upon 2x cube by 2. Multiplying the given equation by 1 by 2x cube by cube, we get this equation. Now we take coefficient of dx is capital M1 and coefficient of dy is capital N1 and check the exactness of the equation. Now this equation is exact, so we take the procedure to solve exact differential equation. First, integrating m1 with respect to x, take it u. Now calculate del u upon del y, then calculate v, which is equals to integral of n1 minus del u upon del y dy. The complete solution is given by u plus v equals to cos. Next question. Again, the given differential equation is in the form of m dx plus n dy equals to 0. First, we calculate del m upon del y and del n upon del x. And we see that the equation is not exact, as del m upon del y is not equals to del n upon del x. Here we see that 1 upon n del m upon del y minus del n upon del x is the function of x. So integrating factor equals to e to the power that function of x dx, we get 1 by x cube. Multiplying the given equation by integrating factor, we get this equation, and we take coefficient of dx is m dash and coefficient of dy is n dash, and we check that del m dash upon del y equals to del n dash upon del x. Now equation is exact, so procedure to solve exact differential equation. First integrate m dash with respect to x. We have the value of u. Then we calculate v, which is equals to n dash minus del u upon del y dy. The complete solution is given by u plus v equals to 1. Next question. Again, the given differential equation is of first order and first degree. First, we rearranging the terms in the form of m dx plus n dy equals to 0. Let the integrating factor be x to the power h y to the power k. Multiply the equation by x की power h y की power k. The term of the coefficient of dx is capital M. The coefficient of dy is capital N. Del m upon del y and del n upon del x is calculated, and by the condition of exactness del m upon del y equals to del n upon del x, we calculate the values of h and k. We find h equals to 1, k equals to 1, so the integrating factor is xy. Multiply the given differential equation by integrating factor, we get the equation. Again, we calculate the condition of exactness del m upon del y and del n upon del x, and we see that del m upon del y is equal to del n upon del x. Now we calculate integral of m dx keeping y is constant, integral of n dy keeping x is constant, and in both the terms we check the term x cube y square and 4x square y to the power 6. Both the terms are common, so we take v equals to 0, and the complete solution is given by u plus v equal to 1. Next question. Again, first we check the equation is exact or not. If the equation is not exact, we find the integrating factor to make it exact. Here we see that 1 upon n del m upon del y minus del n upon del x is the function of x. So the integrating factor is e to the power integral of function of x dx, which is equal to x cube. Multiply the given equation by integrating factor, we get this equation, which is exact by taking the procedure of exact differential equations. By taking the solution of exact differential equation, we get the result. Next question is again in the form of m dx plus n dy equals to 0. First, we check the condition of exactness for this equation, that is del m upon del y equals to del n upon del x, and we find that the equation is not exact, but the equation is homogeneous. So the equation is homogeneous, and we try to make it exact. So we take integrating factor equals to 1 upon mx plus ny. Multiply the given differential equation by integrating factor, the equation becomes exact. Now follow the procedure of exact differential equation, we get the solution. Thank you.